Good morning, Shawn Lawson here at Arbutus RV in sunny Port Alberni. Just wanted to bring you guys a little video here on the Island Wild by Forest River. This is an ultralight trailer, but it's built very, very well. Nice blacked out wheels there, the solid step, entry step. That step folds right up inside the trailer when you pack up and get ready to go. Strong arm stabilizer jacks. You've got LED lights in the awning, plus a nice little amber light there as well. Nice outside kitchen with a small 110 volt fridge and hot and cold water out there as well, and a drawer for some cooking utensils, etc. There's a propane hookup out there as well, so you can hook your barbecue up. So coming inside, this is a non-slide trailer. However, it acts like one that has a slide. Tons of room. Nice herringbone flooring there, and it is the resilient Shaw flooring. Really nice product, easy to keep clean, mold mildew resistant, and not a very slippery surface as well, which is great. The Furrion oven is nice, one of my favorite features. This has got an igniter in the oven as well as the burners on the top, so you're not reaching in with the barbecue lighter. Into the bathroom. Got a nice tub surround in your shower, fan above the loo there, and there's your sink and vanity just outside the bathroom. Double bunks, so double over double. You've got a little light at both bunks, plus USB ports and plugins. All right, so dinette comfortably seats 4. You've got the blackout type of shades as well. They're a roller style shade. Another pan through the kitchen area. Nice windows above the kitchen. There's a couch that folds down flat, so you've got sleeping for a couple there as well. Here's the bedroom. The front bedroom, really nice. Lots of room around the bed to make it. You've got a curtain that you can close to separate the space. And lots of storage, plus plugins and USBs. Underneath the bed, you've got your storage. That's your outside storage, but you can, throw blankets and stuff like that just to separate things. Got some bins as well, and just below that is a spot for shoes and that sort of thing. So really well thought out setup in the bedroom area. So there you go. This is the 2020 Island Wild 261BHXL. Don't forget about our partnership with Pacific Playgrounds. That's a great little add-on that every one of our customers will receive when they purchase an RV from any one of our 5 locations. Hope you enjoyed this video of the 261 Island Wild. Have a great day.